Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of the 12 days of carry. Today is Sunday, so we're going to church, and I want to show you how I'm carrying today, the outfit I'm wearing, what holster I'm wearing, and also I have these tights I really want to show for you ladies out there. So here's the outfit. We're going all black today with just little pops of gold. So I'm wearing these tall leather boots with a little gold buckle on them, and then this long, it's like a wool skirt. It's so warm, but also very flowy. Doesn't wrinkle, which we love. And then I have this like asymmetrical black top. And then I'm wearing this gold belt just for like a little pop of gold and something to kind of break up the top and bottom of my shirt and skirt. But the thing about this outfit that you ladies need to know about are these tights I'm wearing. These tights are actually leggings. Like, they're thick, but they're comfortable. They look like I'm wearing black tights and my skin is just showing through, but it's just the color of the leggings, and they're lined with fleece. So this is just another pair I have because they came in a pack of 2. This is like a more brown color, but you can see they look like sheer brown tights, but the inside is lined with fleece. Look at this, guys. They're fleece on the inside. So when you walk outside with these on, or you're wearing a skirt or dress, it feels like you're wearing like thick leggings. Your legs don't get cold, and they're not gonna rip. Like, I can't tell you how many pairs of tights I used to go through because I feel like every time I wore them, they would rip and I'd have to go get a new pair. But these things are awesome. I'm gonna link them. They're from Amazon, and you can choose whatever colors you want, but I'm gonna link them down below because they're so comfortable and warm, and it just looks like you're wearing tights, but they're actually fleece-lined leggings. They're amazing. So if I was wearing like a shorter dress and they actually showed, it's just so cool. It's just like, whoever invented these is a genius. So anyway, this is my outfit today. I don't want to carry on my waist because it would show, and I don't want to carry on my leg because I'd want to carry on my skin so that my thigh holster doesn't come down. I feel like it would slide down these leggings. So I'm going to be carrying in the sling pack that I designed with chameleon bags. This is the Stav sling pack, and it's my favorite way to carry off body. The black is still out of stock. There is the tan color still available, which I also love, but I'm wearing all black, so today we're gonna go with the black. So I designed this with specific features that I wanted it to have to be like the perfect concealed carry bag, and I wear this bag almost every single day. So it's very small. It fits my bodyguard perfectly. It also fits the shield in here too. You might have to switch up what type of holster you put in the pocket to make your gun fit, but if it's around the size of a shield, it should fit. So the Velcro holster goes in the back pocket. There are 2 pockets. So the Velcro holster sits in the back one, and then all my stuff goes in the front, and you can see my little She Equips Herself logo there. So I'm just gonna put my bodyguard in that rear pocket inside the holster, and it's nice and secure and separate from everything else in that little pocket. And then my wallet and everything else, my lip gloss, will go in front here. And the zippers are on opposite sides of the bag, so when you go to open the rear pocket, you don't accidentally grab the zipper for the front pocket. I did that on purpose. And I'm also going to carry my Palm pepper spray, which is my favorite pepper spray. I'm actually going to carry this on my leggings because they come up pretty high because I'm short. So I'm just gonna keep it in the waistband of my leggings, and that'll sit there pretty securely. So I'm gonna put my wallet in that front pocket, as well as my lip gloss and my favorite Vaseline lip balm. That's gonna go in there too. Close it up. And so that's our little church outfit of the day. It's comfortable, it's super warm because of these tights, and I can still wear a skirt in the wintertime, which is lovely, right?
To baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Okay guys, we're back from church now. It was such a beautiful service. We're doing like an Advent series leading up to Christmas based on the book of Luke, and the pastor is talking about the different characters. So last Sunday was Mary, this week we talked about Joseph, and on until Christmas. But we also had baptisms and new members welcomed into the church today, so it was just a really beautiful and nice service as always. But I wanted to remind you guys of something that I do that I think is very important if you carry and own guns, because I have a lot of moms messaging me saying like, what do I do about having kids in the house? The first thing I do when I get home, whether I'm carrying in a bag or on my body, if I'm gonna take that gun off my body, I put it away immediately. Like, make it a habit where you take your gun out of its holster and put it away right when you get home. Don't put it on the table. Don't leave it in its holster. Don't leave it in your bag and hang it up. Put it away immediately. Make sure that that's a habit so that you're never leaving your gun in a place where someone else can get to it. And that's something that's super important to remember and to remind ourselves to do. So I just got home, I put my gun away right away. Now no one else can get to it, and if I need to get to it, I know where it is. So as you guys can see, it's snowing still a little bit, but we got some snow, and so while Mac is out plowing the driveway and the neighbors' houses, I'm going to knock all the snow off this gazebo because we haven't taken it down yet, and the snow is gonna weigh it down. And then I'm gonna shovel the deck while he's out doing that. So that is my job right now. I'm gonna go change out of my church clothes and get on that. But how beautiful is the snow? We have to change and get all this snow out of here. Guys, let me know in the comments. Do you change like the second you get home? It's just the best feeling to get home and like put on a pair of leggings and my cabin socks and like an oversized sweatshirt. It's just the best. Watch out. Ready? All right, I'm making lunch now, and I ran out of mayo, but I always make my own mayo, and I just want to show you guys how easy this is, because if you're not making your own mayo, you're missing out. This is literally the easiest thing. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of avocado oil. If you want to make, like, you could do 1 cup and 1 egg, but I'm gonna do 2 cups of avocado oil and 2 eggs because I want to make extra for us to have, because I'm also gonna make some homemade honey mustard with it. So you do 1 cup of oil to 1 egg. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of, it has to be avocado oil, not olive oil. Olive oil just tastes too heavy, I've found. We have our avocado oil, and then I'm just gonna drop 2 eggs in here. And 2. Then I just put my immersion blender in it and put it all the way at the bottom on top of the egg yolks, and I'm just gonna turn it on and let it sit there for like 20 seconds. Ready? Watch this, it's magic. Once it starts, like, is it called emulsifying, like getting more solid, I'm gonna start moving it up into the rest of the oil. All the garbage ingredients that store-bought mayo has. I also like to add a couple ingredients into mine. Okay, so then I just drop 1 garlic clove in. You could put more if you like it extra garlicky, but I start with 1. And then just like a squeeze of Dijon mustard. That's about not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. I'm gonna do a little extra because I'm doing twice the amount. And then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm starting off with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I can add more if I need to. It's perfect. And then I just store it in a mason jar in the fridge, and it keeps for probably up to like 2 weeks, I'd say. But ours never lasts that long. I use it for like dressings and sauces, and we eat a lot of wraps and sandwiches for lunches and stuff, so we've never made it that far. And Mac loves this mayo. It's his favorite. I can't go back to store-bought mayo, even if I wanted to, because he likes this so much, and so do I. Okay, and there it is. So I have our youth group Christmas party tonight. I volunteer with our youth group. So I'm making chocolate chip cookies right now, but I'm gonna show you how I carry to the party, because the attire is lumberjack themed, so I'm gonna be dressing like a lumberjack. And I'll show you guys how I carry in that. But first, I gotta make some chocolate chip cookies. You guys know that John Hamm meme that's going around with the like him dancing in the club. I think I'm gonna try to make a reel like that when I get dressed tonight, because I just think that trend is so funny, and I have an idea for how I can do it on my page. Okay, first batch is done while the second batch bakes. We're gonna go. Do you wanna play outside? Do you wanna go play outside? Let's go. It is so beautiful out here, but the Frisbee has like ice stuck on it, so it's pretty heavy. Mila, come. Look at her face. She has frozen whiskers. What about you, mister? Ready, go. All right, all done. All done. Let's go. Good dogs, all done. Good dogs. Come on, Mila. Okay, I just made my John Hamm reel. This trend just makes me laugh. I think it's funny. I did mine based around carrying, of course. What is this song? I like it. I gotta wrap a gift and change into a flannel, so let's do it. Alright, so you guys know I love the sticky holster, but tonight I'm gonna be wearing it inside the sticky holster waistband instead of just inside the waistband of my pants. Honestly, I could just wear the sticky holster in my pants, but I want to show you guys another option. So I'm gonna put this, I actually wear this on the outside of my pants. You can wear it on the inside as well, but I prefer to wear it on the outside of my pants. Especially because I have a longer shirt and it'll cover it up, see? And then I'm gonna put the sticky holster inside the belly band. So you can do this if you have pants that don't have like a thicker waistband for the just for the sticky holster to go in, and it conceals just as good. So that's how I'm carrying my gun tonight. Okay guys, I'm home now. It's about 9:30 at night and I'm about to start editing today's video that I filmed today that's gonna go up tomorrow morning. So the Christmas party was so fun. We played a lot of team games. The kids all had a lot of fun. We did like a white elephant gift exchange at the end where you bring something from home, like something that you don't use, and that's the white elephant gift, and then everybody goes home with a gift. And so it was a lot of fun. But now it's time to edit and work, and I'm gonna edit my video that's going up tomorrow. And that's gonna do it for today's video. I will link the tights I showed you guys and any holsters I used today. I'll link all that below, and I have discount codes for a lot of the holsters and gear that I really like. And so I'll link that all below as well. Also, don't forget my courses and my range drills workbook are on sale for Christmas. So check all that out in the description of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my content, and we'll see you back here for day 3 tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye.